Let's dive into one of the world's greatest ancient mysteries, the Nazca Lines. Deep in the arid plains of southern Peru lies a desert canvas unlike any other, the Nazca Lines. Created by the Nazca culture between roughly 500 BCE and 500 CE, the Nazca Lines cover approximately 500 square kilometers and showcase a wide range of designs. These encompass simple lines, geometric shapes, and around 300 recognizable figures. Among these figures, approximately 70 are biomorphic representations of animals and plants, such as a monkey with a coiled tail, a hummingbird, a spider, and the well-known human-like Astronaut. Some stretch more than 1,000 feet long, yet they were created with no known tools for flight or aerial perspective. That's the puzzle. How did an ancient civilization without planes or drones create figures so precise they can only truly be appreciated from the sky? Even today, researchers debate their purpose. Some believe they were astronomical calendars, others say ritual pathways or messages to the gods. What's even more fascinating is that these lines have stayed mostly intact for centuries, thanks to the dry climate and minimal wind. Modern archaeologists have even uncovered new geoglyphs using AI and drones, proving we've only just begun to scratch the surface of this ancient mystery. The Nazca Lines are not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, they're also a powerful reminder of how advanced and enigmatic our ancestors could be. If you think the Nazca Lines are mysterious now, just wait until we uncover what they were really trying to say.